Hey guys, how to withdraw crypto from Kraken Pro to another wallet. So in order to do that, you need to use your wallet because your wallet deals with investing, holding, or selling in general, and exchanging between, one asset to another, converting so you can withdraw the coin to your bank account, and many other features that Kraken Pro don't provide. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just hit the portfolio and then select the crypto that you want to withdraw. Let's say fetch AI. And then under the balance, you're gonna see deposit and withdraw. Go ahead and hit withdraw and enter the amount in dollars, let's say, right? And if you haven't added a new address, go ahead and add new address, and then follow the screen and add the withdraw address for this coin. For Bitcoin, they will ask you to select the network because there are many networks that deals with Bitcoin, and it's different from one crypto to another. So for Fetch AI, they don't ask for network, they ask only for new address. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.